Hello. Welding. Very simple, but gotta be safe. Starting at your feet, safety boots. Must be steel toe capped, so that if you drop any steel on your feet are, or your toes are protected. And also, make sure, if you've got Wellington boots on, or rigger boots on, that your overalls are over the top of the boots, because you do not want molten metal or slag falling down your boots. Must have overalls, must be cotton overalls, not nylon. Nylon melts. If you've ever seen plastic melt, you do not want plastic melting on you. It sticks. So we don't have nylon overalls. Fleeces, not over the top, they're nylon. Woolly hats, mostly nylon. Sparks, not pleasant. So we don't go near nylon. Working our way up, full overalls. If you're doing a lot of welding, nice leather apron. Especially if you're doing any overhead welding, or you have to be on your back welding, this will protect you from falling slag. Hot, real hot. Nice and tight, up around the neck, around the body. Dead simple, big protection. Okay? Favourite trick for welders, this bit. Always gets burnt because people forget to do it up. Nice and summer weather, got no t-shirt on, got your overalls on, you forget to do that up. You're welding away and this bit gets glowing and it gets hotter and it will blister to the point where agony strikes. So that's basically all you need until you get to the welding itself. If you're welding very rarely, once a month, a couple of times a month, you can use one of these. Handheld. One hand on there, one hand welding. Left or right, doesn't matter. In front of your face, very dark, permanently dark. £10. Lovely, no problem. You make a step up to a welding helmet. Welding a couple of 3 times a month, once a week, lovely jubbly. New one, these cost around £40. Not singing, not dancing, but it works. Actually fits on your head. But it's light. Until you strike an arc, that's dark. If it doesn't go dark, you must stop. It's solar powered, so it needs to charge up. If it doesn't go dark, the light from the welding is straight into your eyes. And what it does is it burns the back of your eye, just like a suntan. The trouble is, it will keep burning the back of your eye, and you end up with what's called arc eye. An arc eye is like someone chucking sand in your eyes, for depending how bad you get it, for 3, 4, 5 days, or blind. And you don't want to be blind. So you must wear a British standard welding helmet. Other end of the scale, this one. If you look at it, no difference. Except this one has more buttons on the side. This one is the one I use because I'm welding all the while. I use this one. And the reason I like it is because I can turn the colour off, so it doesn't go black. Well, what's the advantage of that? Well, it means I don't have to take this off if I'm grinding, because it doesn't go dark. I don't let students use it because you forget to turn it on and it's just safety glasses there. £10, £40, £250 just for having a switch, but you need to do a lot of welding to justify that sort of helmet. Face covered, body covered, hands need to be covered. Brand new pair. Best sort, gauntlets. They cover your arms. They protect from a certain amount of heat, but if you pick up a red hot piece of steel, it will burn you. They are to protect from a certain amount of heat and the rays, ultraviolet. That's the bit that burns you. Yeah? Lovely. Brand new.